In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Brother laser printer. Now sometimes the paper jam takes place again and again, and we can remove the page and we can also clean the area so that it doesn't take place again. For that we have to first go to the paper tray. Just have a look if the pages are installed properly. So you can see they are installed properly. Go to the back of the laser printer. At the back section there should be a door to open. Have a look inside. If there is any paper stuck here, you can take it out, and also make sure if you see any kind of dirt, then you just have to clean this area. Use a small vacuum, or you can also use a brush. Once you clean it, then you can close this section. You can also go to the top. If you see any kind of dirt here, you can also clean these plates. Once you are done, you can close this section. This should solve the paper jam that takes place again and again. Thanks for watching.